Imagine a world where technology has taken a new shape, and it's the shape of food. Here, the food is grown like a manufacturing unit. For the exponentially growing population, we need a lot of food, but we have the same land area. Green wastage is an offense, and use of pesticides, fertilizers have huge regulations. But the problem of crops getting damaged through various factors remains the same. Technology has solution for every problem. Megafix is a crop engineering company, helps other organizations to scan, check, and save their crops. If drones at any of the farms detect any damage to crop, their team is alerted. There are insect-sized drones to scan the crops again thoroughly. Once the scan is complete, the insect-sized drones inject nanobots to infected plants. Nanobots work as fighter bots which reach to the core of any infestation, virus or bacteria and kills it with a laser. In case the fruit size came out to be small, no problem. The same bots will add growth agents directly to the cell. The result is crops grown with perfect quality. These growth agents can also speed up the growth of crops by 10 times. The company's goal is to provide the world with healthy food. They are also working on nanobots creating dishes like in the fantasy world of Star Trek. In this world, the power and technology works at the molecular level. This is the world we have been dreaming about, right?